Hey there everyone, welcome to another unboxing video of NeGI Tech. In this video, we will unbox this tablet computer which is Honor Pad X9. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, so I recently bought it in Amazon Prime Day sale and let me actually open it. The box here you can see is very huge. Probably they make it like this so that the part or the product should not get damaged. And then here there is a seal that I am seeing for the first time, which says that please download Checko app from Play Store to see the originality of the product. And I am pretty sure that this product is original, but we can check it. And then the app here is Checko. So let me actually check this. So I'm going to scan this code here. And this is going to take me this URL, which is of Checko. And let's have a look what it will open. And this site seems pretty slow. Let me also open this box here. And you can see it comes with some of packaging and then this invoice and the product. So this huge box for this small item, you can see this Honor Pad badging here. And the good thing is it also talks about high resolution audio and then high resolution audio wireless, which I would say is great if we are getting these kind of features at this price point. And guess what? I bought it for around 13,000 rupees. I would say it is really great value for money when I compare it with this iPad M4 Pro that's going to cost you around a lakh when you include pencil. Okay, now let me quickly open it. Meanwhile, I can also see the originality. And for this, probably I need to install this Checko app to my Android device. This app is available not only for Android but for Apple as well. Now here, what we are getting under 13,000 is 11.5-inch 2K display, which is really nice because the refresh rate that you will get with this one is 120 Hz. That you will not get again. I am comparing it with another tablet computer that I have, is iPad. So you need to spend a lot if you want 120 Hz refresh rate in case of Apple, because all iPad here, they do not come with 120 Hz. They comes with 60 Hz. Now let's talk about what else. So here you can see it comes with 6 freaking speakers. Again, I am comparing it with iPad, which only comes with probably 6. Yeah, 6 speakers. And then we also going to do a sound test comparison later on. Now it also comes with large memory, delicate metal body, and then if we talk about the processor here, so the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, which again I would say is medium level processor, nowhere comparable to Apple M4. Again, the price that I have paid is approx 1/9 of that one. Also, it is powered by Android 13, which I would say is not the latest, but it's okay for this price. And then we are getting this 7250 AH battery. Okay, so let's further unbox it. And then here, it also comes with freaking flip cover, which is awesome. Now I'm gonna unbox it and let's keep it aside. And we have got these 2 packets. So this one probably is the case. Okay, case looks quite decent. Wow, look at here guys. And then this case also looks like this iPad case, although I would say this case is cheaper. This is not PU or different type of PU. Okay, I just thrown out the inside packaging material. Now let me again keep it aside. Let's focus on this main product, which is Honor Pad X9. Okay, let me also put this aside. And if I talk about RAM here, so it comes with 4 GB of RAM. Let me open it like this. Okay. Let me also keep this aside and let's see what else comes in this box. Probably a few more documentation or something. It comes with this type A to type C cable, which is pretty common, but no charger. That is slightly disappointment. It's okay, you know, we generally used to have so many chargers. Tablet is not your first mobile, so for most of us the charger is already there. Then there is a warranty card which talks about 12-month warranty for tablet as well as battery. And then we are also getting some kind of serial number. Let me keep it aside. Now let's talk about this tablet. It opened from here. It really look very nice, guys. Okay, and then here on the back you can see AI camera. Obviously this is not the camera, this is. And let me again see and compare the thinness with this iPad. Okay, so this is iPad and this is Huawei, or I can show you like this. So obviously iPad is slightly thinner, but who asked Apple to create such a thin tablet? We didn't. We just want more battery, more durable device. This one is also, I would say, quite thin. Now let me turn it on for the first time. You can see the Honor branding and then powered by Android. I am opening this for the first time. So let's wait for the boot to get completed. Meanwhile, I can also insert this cover. So I would say it is very easy to insert this cover here. Now here you can see Magic OS. And now it is asking us to set up. So let me select English here and then click on Get Started. And from here I can select my country, which is India. And let's click Next. I need to accept terms and condition here, and then again next. Probably you also can see what I can see. Now I'm gonna connect it with my network. After connecting network, let's click next again. And now it is checking for the update. And now here we can either copy the apps or I can click on don't copy. Now probably I need to enter my Gmail ID. So even before it is asking if you are an adult or a teenager, I'm gonna click here on I am adult or a teenager. Now let me enter my email address here. Now entering my Gmail address. Let's agree on terms and condition here. Now here you can see I need to accept terms. Let's do that. And it is asking me to set up Google Assistant. I'm gonna do it later on. Again, there are a few more things which we need to agree on. And then let's again click on agree and then here. Now our device is getting ready. And finally here we can see we have completed the whole setup. The display, I would say, looks good for the price we pay. And since this is 120 Hz display, therefore it is quite fluidic as well. Is this tablet one of the best in the market? I would say no, but really this is one of the best tablet available for the price that we're going to pay. This tablet going to cost you under 13,000. The only negative I felt is that it does not come with any SIM. Now let's have a sound test and I'm gonna compare it with the best of Apple, which is iPad Pro M4. Let me play here no copyright music. Same I'm gonna play in my iPad. So let's start with iPad. And I'm gonna play the same song in both the device. So starting with iPad. So voice is quite good of iPad. Speakers are very nice in iPad. Now let's talk about this one. And as we discussed in the starting, this also comes with 6 speakers. So let's see. Apple versus Honor, and probably US device versus Chinese. Okay, so seems like iPad speakers are better, but still this one, I would say for the price we have paid, it's quite decent. So this was a quick unboxing and initial impression of Honor Pad X9. If you ask me, should you buy it? I would say if you have a budget of under 15,000, then definitely this tablet is one of the best tablet available in the market. You also need to keep in mind, this tablet does not come with SIM. If we talk about the pros of this tablet here, this comes with 6 speaker setup, a display which is of 2K resolution, and comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, a processor which is very difficult to find at this price point, which is Snapdragon 685, and a huge battery capacity, which makes this tablet one of the best tablet available in the market under 15,000. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this initial impression and comparison video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to NeGI Tech to follow more such tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.